Viazi Karai is a Kenyan popular snack commonly found in Kenyan streets and it's being enjoyed by all ages. It's commonly served along with tamarind sauce. Viazi Karai is boiled potatoes coated with wheat flour and some spices then deep fried. Well, on this video, I'm going to take you through how I made this sweet and sour tamarind sauce, aka Ukwajo Chutney, and also how I made delicious crispy outside and soft inside Viazi Karai. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching. Viazi Karai is all about potatoes. So I have my Irish potatoes here, of which I'm going to use like 5 of them. I'm going to boil them and peeled. I'm going to place them in my pot, then I'll fill the pot with water to cover the potatoes, then season with salt, cover the pot and take it to your stove and let it boil until it's fork tender. And this will take 20 to 25 minutes depending with your potatoes. Once ready, remove from the boiling pot and put on a side plate. Then peel them before it cools down so that it gives you an easy work. Be careful with your hands. Don't hold them directly. At least use a fork to hold it. It's very hot. Guys, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to another amazing recipe of Viazi Karai. Many people do mistake Viazi Karai for bhajiya. Bhajiya and Viazi Karai are two different things. Viazi Karai is boiled potatoes coated in some wheat flour and some spices and deep fried, while bhajiya use gram flour and some vegetables. If you haven't watched my bhajiya recipe and maru bhajiya, the link is in the description box below. Once done, clear the cutting board and discard the peels. Transfer them in a cutting board and cut them into your desired size, though the signature of viazikarai is the wedges. So mine I will cut a little bit chunk and this is the size I'm going for. Guys, if you're coming across this video for the first time, feel welcome, and if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing, like the video and share with your friends and family. And for more amazing recipe like this, press the notification bell so if I upload a new video, you will be among the first to get notified. Here I will be using some wheat flour. This is half cup, and since I add some leftover gram flour, I'll mix it, and though it's not necessary. And these are the spices I'm going for. I'm going to list everything in the description box with their exact measure. So after you've added all your seasoning, mix it well. Then add water gradually as you mix to form a batter. Here we are looking for a smooth batter, not so thick and not too runny. And ensure it's very smooth without any lump. This is the right consistency. Going in with some finely sliced coriander leaves. This is all I add. You can add more if you have. And then I'm going to crush my garlic, and the coriander and the garlic will take my potatoes to another level. The aroma already in here, it's heavenly. So you can imagine when it's fried. Give it a good mix to combine well. Then drop your boiled potatoes into the batter. Ensure the potatoes have cooled down. And you don't need to drop all the potatoes at once. You can just do them in batches. Then coat them with the batter. Ensure each and every piece of the potatoes is nicely coated. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Then drop them carefully and deep fry on a medium heat. Remember, our potatoes are boiled, so don't use low heat unless you want your potatoes to suckle all the oil. Don't overcrowd it to retain the temperature, and let it fry until it's nice and crispy. Meanwhile, as I wait for my potatoes to get ready, I'm going to prep the Ukwajo Chutney. I'm going to use some tomatoes and chili pepper and spring onions. Then I'm going to blend them, then add them into my Ukwajo juice. I've shared some of the recipes of the same. You can check on the description box below. I will share the link of the Ukwajo Chutney, and if you're not satisfied with this, get the full video on the link below. This is the texture I like when I'm making my ukwajo chutney. I love them a little bit coarse. If you like it smooth, it's okay. You can go ahead and blend it smooth. And you know, it's a taboo to talk of Viazi Karai without mentioning Ukwajo Chutney. Who does that? And my Viazi Karai is equally ready, though I want it to be more crunchy. Oh, unfortunately, my gas got finished, so I had to transfer it to electric plate. Viazi Karai is ready and fully cooked. Looking so lovely, and the aroma here is heavenly and very crispy. You can even hear the sound. So lovely. Look at it. Just as simple as that. We have our viazi karai ready to be served. Serve and enjoy your viazi karai while it's still hot, and enjoy with some homemade tamarind sauce, aka ukwajo chutney. Look at my viazi karai, so crispy outside and moist inside, and enjoy. Guys, I hope you're gonna try this recipe. As I've seen, it's very simple. And if you happen to try this recipe, don't forget to bring back your feedback. And if you find this kind of content useful, show me some love, press that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And it was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in my next. Bye bye.